Hi traders, Hugh Grossman here. I'm the founder and head trading mentor at the Day Trade SPY Trading Academy. We often say, plan your trade and trade your plan. That acknowledges that confident trades don't just happen, they take work. A trader needs to choose a strategy that is appropriate for the market conditions, select the right direction and option, identify an entry point, execute the move, and set a target exit. Now that's the easy part. The hard part comes when the trader has to make decisions at every moment while in a trade between sticking with the target or jumping out early. Plan the trade and trade the plan. It's not only a good idea, it's actually vital for success on the market. Well, the same is true for learning to trade. You need to plan out your course of action. Find a program that fits your temperament and view of risk. For example, my personal target is, say, $10,000, or rather my risk is $10,000. That doesn't mean I'm going to enter with $10,000. I might come in with $1,500 and have that other $8,500 as a cushion to repair trades if I so choose. I also want to look at volatility. If I'm using my bread and butter strategy, I'm going to shy away from high volatility, whereas I'm going to run to it if I'm looking at doing scalps. So you have to have a good plan. And then once you have that, hit the books. Watch the videos, learn the basics. Application comes next. Then start practicing your trading skills in a simulated environment, and only when you're ready to transition into real money, start small. I tell people do about 20, 30 good paper trades, then transition to real money using about $1,000. But your journey is not over yet. Market conditions change constantly. Continue learning with regular interactions and updates from your mentor. Folks, we have a very special event coming up, and I want you to be part of it. Please click the link below and register, and I'll see you online.